Welcome to the Children's Dental Health Clinic's 2021 annual Smiles from the Heart event. We've missed seeing you all in person, but are thankful we're able to welcome you virtually. The Children's Dental Health Clinic has been serving Greater Long Beach since 1932. Each year, we provide multi-specialty dental treatment and oral health education to more than 6,500 underserved children with over 15,000 dental visits. We've had quite a few changes over the past year, but here at the Children's Dental Health Clinic, our dedicated staff, doctors, and leadership haven't lost sight of our mission and of our vision to see that all children grow up with healthy, confident smiles. We care for children from birth through age 21, providing a dental home that is comprehensive, multi-specialty, and hospital-based, with programs focused on oral health and nutrition education for the entire family and on the prevention of dental disease. Let's listen in as our Executive Director, Dental Director, Dr. John Blake shares his insight on the state of the clinic.
Well, hello. Give you an update on the clinic, state of the clinic, this current state of affairs, right? Interesting year, as it was for all of us, but we're blessed to be here. Our entire staff is here, and the clinic is working kind of the best it can given the guidelines and everything else that's going on. I'm happy to report that all of our staff has been vaccinated, and our clinical teams, I think, have that measure of safety that comes with the vaccine. The hospital's been a great partner in that, providing that, and they really rolled out a well-organized vaccination program. So that has helped. I think really the clinic is here doing the business that we do and treating the patients. There was a lot of pent-up demand. We're meeting that. The hospital operating room is kind of slowly opening up for cases, including dental cases. So it's nowhere near business as usual, but it is really good to be back and working, and certainly our patients are giving us that feedback as well. I think some of the local, state, and federal programs have really enabled us to continue on retaining our staff. I think some of those grants and loans have really been the reason that we're able to be here and in full capacity as far as our staff is concerned. So, and then that leads us really to all of you and those that know the clinic or may not know the clinic. Individual donors. There's just been a really great outpouring of support for programs like ours. Thank you. We certainly appreciate that. Every little bit helps, and that's the reason that we're able to move forward here. So, the last thing I'll note is in 2023, which seems like a ways off, our lease will expire. So we're talking to the hospital about our location and what that might look like, and our goals, of course, of perhaps expanding programs. And I think that timing will be good. So stay tuned on that one as far as location. Anyway, thank you. We appreciate everyone that knows the clinic, supports the clinic, and we hope for an awesome 2021. Thanks.
Thank you, Dr. Blake. And now a few words from our board president, Josephine Fitzpatrick.
I have a confession to make. As a child, I hated going to the dentist. The old-fashioned drill terrified me. I sat rigid and afraid through every appointment. And a cavity meant an expense that left a hole in the family budget that was hard to fill. Perhaps that's why I take tremendous pride in our state-of-the-art clinic and the CDHC staff and volunteers. Amidst all of the changes and risks during this pandemic, they managed to take care of children that needed their help. New protocols were put in place to keep our staff and patients safe. Staff now uses N95 masks, face shields, and shoe coverings, all of which are expensive and increased our costs. Rooms are sanitized after each patient, and some chairs are blocked from use to meet social distancing requirements. Our dedicated doctors and clinicians dealt with all of the challenges and continue to take care of the children. Our revenue has diminished due to the partial shutdown when COVID-19 began to spread, but our dedicated staff and leaders made sure that children were served. We saw increased need here at the clinic, and we met that need and will continue to do so thanks to all of you. I've always looked forward to our annual open house when I can personally say thank you to every one of you, our supporters. I'm sorry I can't thank you in person today, but I look forward to seeing everyone as soon as possible and thanking each one of you in person. Until then, know that your support matters. It's appreciated and needed now more than ever before. Thank you.
Thank you, Josephine, for your wonderful insight, and thank you all for joining us for Giving Smiles from the Heart. We wouldn't be here without you. Please visit cdhc.org to support our efforts and to learn more about how we're a vital part of building healthy, confident smiles for our community's children. Thank you.